In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play music or audio over multiple slides in Google Slides. It's a great way to enhance your presentations, adding dynamics and keeping your audience engaged. Let's dive right in and explore how to do this quickly and effectively. First, you're going to want to head over to Google Slides. Open your web browser and enter the URL docs.google.com presentation. This will take you directly to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, don't worry, you'll have the chance to do that in just a moment. Next up, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Simply enter your email and password and you'll be all set. This step is crucial because you need access to your Google Drive where your audio files should be stored. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides home. Here, you can see all your recent presentations along with a handy button to create a new one. To start a fresh presentation, we'll go ahead and click on Blank Presentation. This will open a new slideshow for you to work on. Give your presentation a title if you like, just to keep things organized. Now that your blank slide is ready, you're set to add some audio magic. What you want to do next is click on Insert in the top menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for elements you can add to your slides. Since we're focusing on audio, from this menu you'll select the Audio option. This will pop open a new window showing all available audio files in your Google Drive. If your desired audio isn't there, make sure to upload it to your drive ahead of time. Once you select an audio file, it will be inserted into your slide. You'll notice a small icon that represents the audio file appearing on your slide. This icon is important as it provides playback controls and audio settings. Now with the audio file on your slide, we need to dive into its playback settings to ensure it plays over multiple slides. To adjust how the audio behaves, click on Audio Playback on the right side of the screen. Under the playback settings, choose automatically if you want the audio to play once the slideshow starts, or on click if you prefer to trigger it manually. But here's the key part: to ensure your audio plays across multiple slides, you'll want to check the option for continuous play. Once you've done all this, make sure to test the slideshow. Click Present and go through your slides to confirm that the audio plays as you intended. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully added audio that plays over several slides, giving your presentation that extra layer of engagement.